Ermaksan engineers designed new generation servo drive turret punch press to work problem-free for years. This engineering developed dynamic and static endurances, realized robust and strong body, machined with monoblock construction highly sensitively. Ermaksan servo drive turret punch press has 33 stations, and this can be upgraded up to 54 stations. Punching at required angles and different tooling combinations can be generated via automatic index stations on turret punch. Parts wearing or getting old problems reduce, and maintenance cost minimized by using less mechanical parts compared to hydraulic systems via direct drive technology. Jacket tool adapter system produced from hardened steel placed in the turret provides long-lasting working period. A lot of operations, such as more precise forming with functional wheel tools, punching at different diameters, and special type tippings can be done. Servo drive system consumes about 40% less energy compared to hydraulic punches. About 300 liters oil used at hydraulic systems is not necessary at servo drive system. Thus, there is no need to cool down the heated oil. This gives very big energy saving. Less resonance and vibration appears by precisely machined monoblock body and servo drive technology. This provides longer lifespan for the machine by smooth working surface. With its low noise emission, environment-friendly Ermaksan servo drive punch press maximizes your profitability by its minimized maintenance and energy consumption costs.